I see you're very interested in this anatomy book. What are you learning about?
Oh yes, I'm learning about the thyroid gland.
Oh, hey, you're recording us?
Hindi Liza.
Anyway, this is The Sixth Sense.
I'm Jareef.
And I'm Jazib.
Today, I'm going to be teaching Jazib about the thyroid gland.
So, what is the thyroid gland?
The thyroid gland, well, first of all, have you ever heard of it before?
I've heard of it, but I never knew what it is.
Oh, anyway, the thyroid gland is the most important endocrine gland in the body.
Endocrine? What's that?
Oh, there's two types of glands in the body, endocrine and exocrine. Endocrine glands carry hormones from one place to another by means of the blood vessels. Exocrine glands have special ducts to do this.
So where's this thyroid gland located?
The thyroid gland is located in front of the trachea and above the Adam's apple or larynx.
Like about here?
Yeah. In fact, it's actually divided into two sides, the right lobe and the left lobe. These two lobes are connected by an isthmus.
Okay, I understand. So what does the thyroid gland do?
Oh, the thyroid gland actually controls all the metabolism inside the body.
So, can you tell me a bit more about the anatomy of the thyroid gland?
Okay, yeah. The thyroid gland is actually made of a type of cell called the follicular cell. These cells combine to form a ring, and inside these rings is a substance called a colloid. This colloid contains a protein called thyroglobulin.
So you're telling me earlier that the thyroid gland produces hormones. What hormones does it produce?
Oh, the thyroid gland produces the hormones T3 and T4. In fact, to make these hormones, iodine needs to be present.
So how does the thyroid gland absorb the iodine?
This iodine is actually absorbed in a very slightly tricky process. At first, the thyroid gland, the follicular cells of the thyroid gland will absorb the iodine. The iodine ions will then combine to form I2. This I2 will react with thyroglobulin by means of an enzyme. This thyroglobulin and the iodine will combine to form MIT. 2 MIT forms DIT. So if we want to get T3, then we must get MIT plus DIT. To get T4, we do DIT and MIT. In fact, T4 is easier to make than T3. However, T3 is more reactive than T4. So more T4 is created, and as the T4 leaves the thyroid gland, the T4 is converted into T3, which is the more reactive form.
So you're telling me that the thyroid gland controls the metabolism of the body. How does it know when to give the hormones?
Oh, the brain actually sends signals to the thyroid gland. This will then allow the pituitary gland located next to the brain to send a hormone known as TSH, or thyroid stimulating hormone. This will travel to the thyroid gland and tell the gland to produce T3 and T4. Once enough supply of T3 and T4 have been produced, this TSH will stop getting produced.
Wow, you know a lot about the thyroid gland. Can you tell me more?
Yeah, we'll tell you about the diseases, but you have to wait for the upcoming video.
Oh, come on, I can't wait for the next video.
Well, you have to wait.
Anyway, subscribe and turn the notifications on so you know when the next video is up.
And leave a comment and like.
Thanks for watching. See ya in our next video.
But first, remember, knowledge is a sixth sense. See you later.
Bye.